Good evening friends. Good evening friends. This is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video we are going to see the predictions for coming Friday, for tomorrow. So before going to the video, if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon for further notification. Please do your comments and on the comment section so that I can improve my videos. So today we are going to see Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions for coming Friday. First we will open the Bank Nifty in our trading view window with 45 minutes time frame chart. Normally 45 minutes time frame chart will give more accuracy. So this is first we will make our setups for make our analysis. So right now I am doing I am already having some two resistance is there. So right now the market is at the resistance one, so we not need to take further more resistance. So this itself fine for us for maybe for 3 to 4 days. So this one we can make it as our resistance 2, and the downside we can make it as our resistance 1. Meanwhile we can have the bottom side black line is the support line. We can keep it as a horizontal support, and as well as incline support also we can make it off. So these horizontal levels market should not break, then we can have a upside trend only. So once it's break this horizontal level, then we have to think about for our analysis, maybe downside trend also it can be possible. So we will just make down the one more support here near to this area. So this is parallel line I am going to take here. I feel that this could be one of the good support for Bank Nifty. So this one we can make it in green color. This will act as a support line for Bank Nifty. So we not need to go for further more supports. So let us keep, we can keep this is our it's our immediate support line. So till this support is not getting broken, the market will be having in the upside moment only. So we can see tomorrow what will happen. Based on that we can take up our calls. So here I am going to mark the two possible ways for market can go further. Before that you could see here some of the, I am going to encircle here. We can see some the tails we can see today in the midday. We can see some tails here. So again after seeing the selling side, then again buyers came into the market. The tail is indicating that on buyer pressure has came inside the market, but not that much big buying pressure, but somehow buyers are occupied the market. So that indicates this tail. Always we have to notice this tail. So after the tail we can see here some I'm going to encircle that also. After this tail we can see some sort of buyers came into the market. You can see here in the second encircled area we can see two buying candles has formed here. So this indicates buyers actively participating in the market, but this is not very much power candle, but anyway the buyers are there in the market. So right now the buyers only controlling the market, but here we are having some resistance one is the negative point for the buyers. Once the resistance breaks, then we can have a very good trades in the upper side. So I'm looking for the market will go in either side also possible. If the resistance is not getting broken, then market can go downside like this. I'm going to draw here like this. Also market can go and hit our support line, and upside if it's break the resistance line, then we can have a buy side target. Market can go further high and it can hit our resistance too. So this is also possible. So we will make the correct path and as well as the targets now. I'm expecting the Bank Nifty will go in further upside only, but most probably tomorrow I'm not expecting the Bank Nifty will go on very good high. Maybe from Monday onwards we can expect. We have to wait for tomorrow market how the behavior is there. We need to see here and based on that we can take up our decisions. So for downside target I can make it like this. For upside target the market can go and it can hit this buying side target, buying side resistance line. So this is maybe this is far away distance, so maybe it will take some 3 to 4 days, or we can consider this as a weekly target. I'm going to mention this target levels. For buying side the market definitely it can possible to hit in the upper side. I'm expecting the market will go in upper side only, and it will hit the target of 35,600. so this is not for tomorrow target. Maybe within 2 to 3 days this is possible. Maybe before expiry, before next expiry this is possible. So we can keep this target as our buying side target. Then for selling side, if the market not breaks our resistance one, the market can go downside and it can hit 34,400 is possible in the downside. So these two things may happen, but I am expecting most probably the market should go in upside only. We need to see the movement, and we need to see tomorrow for getting some more confirmation. Then we can have some clear idea on which direction the market will going to take place. So these targets not made for only tomorrow. So this target is for maybe for this week we can keep this target. So for buying side as well as for selling side. For selling side this can be possible to achieve by tomorrow itself. If the market is not going to in upside, means definitely it can achieve this target by tomorrow. But for tomorrow also we can make some targets here. I'm going to write for tomorrow market targets. This is not possible within a day. We need to wait for 2 to 3 days for these targets. So now we will make it for tomorrow target. The market we can make some horizontal line here. So I'm going to draw the previous high as a horizontal line. So the market can touch up to this level is possible by tomorrow. So maybe the target line we can keep it as, this is for upper side targets. So this can be happen by tomorrow. So the upper side target is 3500. We can keep it as for buying side target, and downside we can keep the same target itself, 34,400 itself. We can keep the downside target. If the market not breaks our resistance one, then we can have this downside target is also possible. But in my expectation, most probably market will go in upside only, and it will hit the target of 3500 is possible definitely for tomorrow. If the only condition is it has to break our resistance one. Let's see what will happen in the real time market by tomorrow, and we can update in our WhatsApp group, and if possible we can take up our trades, else we will be audience for tomorrow. We will wait and decide. Next we will move to the Nifty predictions. Let me open the Nifty in our 45 minutes time frame chart in trading window. So here we not need to do much changes in our setups. Already we are having our resistance and support lines we have made here. Here I am going to, we are having two resistance as well as two support line is there. So let me keep the same thing. We not need to do any changes. Just we will naming only we will indicate here as a support 1, support 2, as well as the resistance 1, resistance 2, like that. So I'm not for Nifty, I'm not expecting much movement in Nifty. You can see here the Nifty already is at resistance level, so I don't feel there is a very good much upside movement is there in Nifty. I feel only between this resistance line and the support line the market will be there for tomorrow. I feel if the market goes upside, means only the possible is 15,840, 850 we can make it as is upside target is possible for tomorrow only. But overall the market most probably it has to go in upside only. But for tomorrow I'm not expecting much trade in upside as well as in the downside also. But if the market goes downside, then it will get the support here in this first support line. That is possible. You can see here if the Nifty goes downside, we can have some we can have some small down movement is possible. So downside also we can make some sell targets. We can keep it as our sell targets for Nifty, but this is quietly difficult to happen. We will see here. We will see the tomorrow market and we can decide. So 15,740 is my downside target. So market, I am not expecting Nifty will go more points by tomorrow. Maybe in the August series it can hit our it can hit a new high also possible, but not for tomorrow. I am expecting only these targets for tomorrow. This is my Nifty predictions. So let us see tomorrow. So overall we are concluding our predictions for possible Nifty move is 15,850 in the upside, 15,740 is the downside. For Bank Nifty, 35,100 is the upside, 34,400 is the downside. So this is what we are expecting for Nifty and Bank Nifty for Friday. Most probably we will not see much movement on Friday. We can see the real time market and we can decide. Thanks for watching the video. If the video is useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you and grow with us.